Hello everyone. Now we are going to start a new topic, that is a Power BI. So Power BI actually we use it for the visualization. If you had to create any kind of the report on top of your data, if you had to create any kind of the visualization, then what actually we use? We use a Power BI. So in a Microsoft Fabric, it is a deeply integrated with the Power BI. Microsoft Fabric is a deeply integrated with the Power BI. So suppose in a Fabric you have a data that is available in a lake house. Your data that is available in a lake house. So what actually you can do on top of this, you can create a visualization. You can create a visualization using a Power BI. Using a Power BI. Similarly, if your data is available in a warehouse or SQL endpoint, so you can connect with that data and you can create a visualization using a Power BI. Power BI. So from the analytics perspective, from the visualization perspective, Power BI is important. Now there are two ways to learn a Power BI. There are two ways to learn a Power BI. The first one is like in a Fabric itself. In a Fabric itself you can learn the Power BI. The second way is like you can download the Power BI desktop, and you can learn the Power BI concept, how to create a visualization and all. What I will suggest, because in a Fabric, right? In a Fabric we get only the 60 days free trial. In a Fabric we get only the 60 days free trial, and if you are using Azure, right? Azure, then we get only the 30 days free trial. So in this case what actually we can do, this Fabric we will learn this Fabric concept, right? Whatever the data engineering stuff, whatever the data engineering and the data analytics, whatever the pipeline stuff, right? What actually we will do, that particular thing actually we will learn first with the help of this free trial. And for this Power BI desktop, right? For this Power BI, what actually we'll do, we'll download the Power BI desktop and we will learn all the concept. We will learn all the concept, how to create a visualization, how to clean the data, how to write a DAX. So in a Power BI desktop only we will learn it. And now once you have completed this Power BI desktop and you have learned the Power BI visualization, how to create, how to clean, right? Now what actually we can do? We can come to the Fabric. We can come to Fabric. Suppose your data is available in a lake house, right? That data you can connect with the Power BI desktop. You can connect with the Power BI desktop. You can clean that and you can publish a report. That is the first way. The second way is like in a Fabric itself, in a lake house, if you'll go right, whatever the data, suppose this is the data, in a Fabric itself the Power BI window will be open and there you can create a visualization. So these are the two things. Now let me show you in a Fabric itself how actually you can open a Power BI, and then in next video we will see how to download the Power BI desktop and how to learn this Power BI. Let me open any one of the workspace where our data is available. Suppose this is the Fabric Dev workspace. Let me show you one of the data. So suppose this is the lake house, right? This is the lake house. In this lake house, let me have one of the table. If we will have a one of the table, that table we will use it for the, suppose this is the employee table, right? What I will do, select this employee table, click on the new semantic model. Click on the new semantic model, and after that, what you have to do, you have to give the semantic model name. So I will give the name as a EMP. You can give any name. The workspace you have to select, and the table you have to select, which particular table. This is the table, right? You have to click on the confirm. Now you can see this semantic model, it open, right? Now here you can create a new measure, you can create a new table, you can do a calculation, you can write a DAX formula, you can create a new format, and also if you have to create a visualization, right? Click on the file, click on the create new report. Now what actually it will do, it will open your Power BI window, and there actually you can create a visualization. So this is the visualization, everything is same. So like this, actually here you can create any kind of the visualization, and if you want to see your data, right, this is the data we have, employee ID, salary, and like this you can create a visualization. Now the same thing I will show you in a Power BI how actually we can do. So how to install a Power BI desktop, anyway I will show you, because there only we will try to do all the practice for the Power BI. Let me open the Power BI desktop and I will show you how actually it looks like. This will look like similar to what we have in a Fabric only. So it's still opening, so let's wait it to open. You can see it opened. What actually we will do here, we will create a new report. Here we will create a new report. You can see it opened, right? Or let me create a blank report first. Now you can see it opened. Now whatever we are seeing in the Power BI desktop, and if I'll show you here, this both looks similar, right? In a Power BI desktop, here also we have all the option, and here we have a option for the data, right? Similarly, if I show you in a Fabric, if I'll go to the Fabric, here also we have option for the data visualization filters, and here also we have a same kind of the option. All the options are same, and here also you can create any visualization. Here also we can create any kind of the visualization. Everything is same. So the better ways to learn is like you download the Power BI desktop, you learn all the concept, and then in a Power BI desktop itself you can connect with the data. So click on the get data. So as of now I am in a Power BI desktop. Click on the more. So this all the thing we will see in the upcoming video, like how to connect with the data and all, but I am just showing you the high level. So as of now I am in Power BI desktop. You can see Microsoft Fabric, and here you can connect with the all the things. Suppose you want to connect with the data flow, suppose you want to connect with the lake house, you can connect with this like this, and you just have to pass the your email ID and you have to connect, and here only you can create all your dashboard. So what I will suggest, you do all your practice and learn in the Power BI desktop only, and once you will learn, right, you come here in a Fabric and you create a visualization. So in a project parts, we will directly create a dashboard here, but before to that, if you want to learn, right, all the videos related to Power BI also I will post. So in next video, we'll continue over the Power BI topic.